We are off the controls, and it's doing pretty good. I haven't touched them in a long time. It's good. Good recovery. Here's what we got going on here. Off the controls. Every now and then when it gets to a certain bank angle, it will fall. So it's got the vinyl horn on it, about a 1% vertical, and it really has made it fly better. Okay, that had to be recovered. That looks like it's going to fix itself. It's doing pretty good though. A death dive. That is not a death dive. I did not recover that. Okay. What about this one? Is it a death dive? All without me touching it? Beautiful. Really doing good now. Okay, we're bringing it in for landing. Pitch down. Trying to bring it down.